Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Path. Today we're breaking down one of the simplest and most powerful budgeting methods out there, the 50-30-20 rule. Let's jump right in. Imagine being able to pay your bills, enjoy life, and still save for the future without tracking every single penny. That's exactly what the 50-30-20 rule helps you do. The idea is simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, things you absolutely must pay for. 30% goes to wants, things that make life enjoyable. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment, building your future. Let's break it down with an example. Say you bring home $3,000 a month after taxes. 50% needs equals $1,500 for rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, and minimum loan payments. 30% wants equals $900 for dining out, subscriptions, entertainment, and shopping. 20% savings more debt equals $600 for an emergency fund, investments, or paying off debt faster. This method gives you balance. You cover essentials, still have room for fun, and make steady progress towards savings without strict spreadsheets or complicated apps. Here's how to start today. Check mark Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. Step 2. List your needs and wants. Be honest. Step 3. Adjust if you're over in any category. For example, if rent eats up more than 50%, cut back on wants or find ways to increase income. So that's the 50-30-20 rule. Simple, flexible, and effective. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Wealth Path for more personal finance tips.